Kia ora anō. In this session we're going to be looking at teaching our tamaiti how to write a basic sentence in Te Reo Māori. We need 3 ingredients, some writing utensils, a puka puka to draw in or write in, and the mahi kāinga puka puka. So here we show 3 methods of copying. The first one is on top. So the tamaiti copies on top of your sample, like so. Method 2, they copy below your writing, so like so. And lastly, copying a word letter for letter. An example of the sentence structure is this one here. He whare tēnei, or this is a house. Usually when a tamaiti draws a pikitia, the first question the kaiako or parents ask is what is this or what is that. In this case we've used a whare, so he whare tēnei, this is a house. Or you want them to start describing the house also, so he whare whiro tēnei, this is a red house. As they become more familiar with the sentence structure, they'll be able to substitute the kupu whare or the noun for something else. So he aporo tēnei, he rākau tēnei, he rā tēnei, he kapua tēnei, he motuka tēnei, and so on and so on. Following that, they'll be able to change the last kupu there to tēnā. So he whare tēnā, that is a house, or he whare tēra, that is a house yonder. One of the other important things to teach a tamaiti is to leave a space between each sentence, and that gives room for the kaiako to make any comments or do any editing. Most tamariki arrive at school with no concept of lines, so their writing are either up in the boxes or randomly spread over the page. So what you want to do is teach them to start on the line and against the left margin for each kupu, each new kupu of each sentence. Another thing that's difficult for your tamaiti is to visualise spacing between kupu. So when they're writing, ensure that they use their free index finger to place between each kupu as they go. So it takes a wee bit of coordination, but it will help them as they get more advanced at writing. So here's a quick recap whānau on teaching your tamaiti to write a basic awesome sentence in Te Reo Māori. Start with the pikitia. Make sure they start their kupu tuatahi against the left margin. Leave a space between each kupu. Leave a line between each rerenga kōrero or each sentence. And put a irakati on the end of each sentence. Ka pai koutou, stay tuned, we've got plenty more tips and that coming up for you to help your tamaiti excel at kura. Kia ora rā.